Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log into the University of Phoenix. The University of Phoenix is a for-profit online college, founded in 1976. The school confers certificates and degrees at the certificate associate bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degree levels. If you are a student of the University of Phoenix, and you want to log into your account, start by opening a web browser. Once you do that, in the search box type in www.phoenix.edu and press the Enter on the keyboard. From the official website, click on Student Login at the top of the screen. Start by entering your username. In the first text field, enter the login box. Now enter your password in the next text field. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account. If you want to log in without any kind of delay and problem, you can double-check your password by clicking on this icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal the password. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on the login button. But in case you've forgotten your username, and then your password, you can go and click on the link that says Forgot Username or Password at the bottom. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to look for your username or reset your password to a new one. Once you have your password and username correct, click on the login button and you'll be logged into the University of Phoenix account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.